On today's video, my 2013 Porsche Cayenne GTS with 128,000 miles. We're going to talk to the previous owner, what he liked and disliked about the car. We take it to the shop. I get 4 new tires, front brakes. I change the transfer case fluid. Then I do my fun car wash, and then we do some sexy shots. Then we'll talk about why it costs $103,000 with all the options and some of the quirks after 3 weeks of owning it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis. I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. I do travel videos throughout New England and I talk about my life experiences. Okay guys, this is gonna be a long video, but a fun video, I promise. I bought this GTS 3 weeks ago. One of the main reasons why I was interested in this GTS was because of the previous owner. He had it for 4 years and only serviced that Porsche. The owner before him was a doctor from Connecticut. Again, Porsche only. Matter of fact, that guy was so anal when he let his wife drive the Porsche. He made her park way over, the parking lot and take pictures on where it was parked. Okay, that's how anal that guy was. So Sean, as you can see right here, he was gonna talk in my video. Unfortunately, I lost the first clip of him talking about it. I'm like beside myself because, you try to do these videos, you want to get the people involved, and I only have this one little clip saying that he loved it. But the short version of this is that for 4 years, he loved this vehicle. The only thing he didn't like about it was paying for fuel. That's it. That's it. It was only paying for fuel, but he loved this vehicle. So we will get into some of the records of what it costs to bring it to Porsche for some of the services. But for now, we're going to take it up to Manchester, New Hampshire, to my friend's shop. We're going to do the tires, the transfer case oil, front brake pads. So let's take a look. So I want to thank Kevin for helping me out as always. Now that it's home, I do have OCD and I have to wash my vehicle. This is going to be a fun clip, so let's take a look. So after getting the vehicle out of the shop, I did notice one of the wheels was a little wobbly, so I believe I have a bent rim. I do have my aunt and uncle interested in this vehicle, and I'm at the point where I can sell it to them for a certain price, the family discount. If they buy it, I won't do any more videos. But if they don't, I will do maybe the rim being fixed, if that is the issue, or maybe it needs tires rebalanced. But at the moment, they are interested, and until they decide what they're gonna do, hopefully this weekend, I will go forward with more videos. So let's talk about some of the quirks in the 3 weeks that I owned it. One, the key fobs. You know, having the plastic dummy key that starts up the car like a push button, sometimes it doesn't read. So I was in Maine a couple weeks ago and it didn't start, and I was freaking out. It finally caught and started the vehicle, so I was a little unhappy with that. I got some new batteries for the key fobs, and I noticed that one key fob may be better than the other, but I did some research and I found out that you can take that dummy key out, a couple of twists, and it pops out, and you can put the regular key in and it will start it up with no problem. The other quirk is, and it hasn't done it to me lately, is when you put your foot on the brake for a couple seconds, all of a sudden it would just hold the car. Green light shows hold, and at first I was freaking out. I'm like, why isn't the car moving? You have to give it gas and it will move freely. All right, so let's talk about some of the options. $20,000 worth of options over the $80-something thousand price tag, bringing this to $103,000. I'm not gonna list all of them, just some of them. The 3-spoke multifunctional heated steering wheel, the jet black metallic paint, the electric roll-up sun blinds in the rear windows, heated seats front and rear, front seat ventilation. Now those were awesome. Those things cool you down. I've never experienced a better cooling seat in my life. Porsche entry and drive, basically just keyless entry. Now I can't pronounce this word, but it's basically a black birch interior. You get your PCM with navigation, your front and rear backup sensors with camera, lane change assist, 4-zone climate control, your Bose stereo system, 21-inch wheels. Now Alcantara is throughout on the roof, but they also have Alcantara seats as standard. Option is leather. Sport chrono package, the 14-way power seats. Okay, let's see how much it costs to bring this vehicle to Porsche to have service done. Put my old glasses on because I can't see shit. All right, first thing that I noticed, your basic oil change is $300. Actually, it's $390. All right, for $2,800, you get your serpentine belt replaced, spark plugs, brake fluid service, complimentary car wash, thanks, appreciate that, and your oil and filter change. Okay, that was, again, $2,850. Next on the list, a knock sensor, another oil change, spark plugs, at a tune of $2,400. $2,700 will get you, and to fix your tire sensors, that will cost you $2,700. Also included with that is the timing cover upper bolts broke and caused an oil leak. So tire pressure sensors and the oil leak cost $2,800. Okay, he did not go to Porsche for this one. This one is called Village European, wherever that is. That's in Barica, Mass. They charge him $1,300 for front brakes and rotors, and another $1,100 for rear brakes and rotors. Blower motor, $1,400. Another oil change, $395. For $3,000, you can have your starter replaced. at Porsche, $3,000. And if you want to get your battery replaced and programmed, $1,067. I am not lying, folks. Going to Porsche is very expensive. The thing I would do is go to FCP Euro, go to their website for Porsche. Everything that you buy from them is a lifetime warranty. You buy windshield wipers, free once they wear out. You buy brakes, once they wear out, you get them for free. Oil change. When you change your oil and it's time to do it again, they'll send you the oil and you package the old oil and send it back free. You see where this is going? You buy something, when it wears out, you get that part free, brand new. So FCP Euro, they didn't sponsor this, but I've used them many times on my BMWs. All right, guys, so that's what's going on with this Porsche at the moment. If I keep it for the next few months, if my aunt and uncle don't buy it, I will get the wheels rebalanced. If it needs the wheel to be fixed, I will do that. Maybe I'll bring it and have ceramic coated. It is a nice vehicle. Ceramic coat will bring that out and look fantastic. And then I'll do some like driving shots, you know what I mean? Get into it. I didn't really, you know, I had it for 3 weeks. I have several cars. I sold my Lexus last Saturday, so that went to a good home. I still have my Mini Cooper that I got to do a video on. It's a 2007 Mini Cooper Sidewalk Edition convertible. I got to do that video. I still have my 2007 BMW M6 convertible. It's for sale. I have nobody call me on that, and that's at $17,800. Book value is $20,000. It's ready to go. Nobody's buying. Nobody's looking. Nobody's calling. So I still have to finish up that video. All right, so I still got to do travel videos throughout New England and talk about some of my life experiences. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.